Hello. Have you ever have you ever been out with friends and someone's battery hits 1% but no charger in sight? What if I told you your phone could save the day wirelessly? Even if you're not using the Galaxy S22 Ultra like I am in this video, don't scroll away. I'll show you how this feature works on different phones. Whether you're Team Samsung, Infinix, OnePlus, Tecno, or even iPhone users looking for an alternative. Okay, stick around. This trip could be a lifesaver. So, to begin, step one, how enable wireless power share. This is like for Samsung Galaxy phones. So phones like Galaxy S10 and newer, including S20, 21, 22, the series, the newer ones from S20 up. Okay, you swipe down twice, like first time and the second time from the top to open the full quick panel like that, right? Tap on wireless power share. So you find here, you look for wireless power share, and if you don't see it, tap the three dots to go to edit, or in my case this pencil icon. Tap the edit, and this is the edit, and then drag drag it into view. Then you find it here, wireless no no yeah wireless power share. I have to find it here. Drag it into view. Okay, here, wireless power share, this one. Drag it up here. Okay, and then done, and done. Go back. Okay, now it should be here, and now you can toggle it on. Tap to turn it on. Once it's on, um okay, tap. Can't turn on wireless power share while using the camera, unfortunately. Okay, so once it's on, you place the other device back to back with your phone, and then the charging should begin automatically. So that's how you do that on Samsung phones. Now for OnePlus, Huawei, and Xiaomi phones, phones like OnePlus 11, Huawei Mate 20 Pro and up, Xiaomi 13 Pro, and so on. This is for like newer phones. Okay, so on OnePlus, Huawei, and some Xiaomi phones, the process is very similar. You go to settings, and you go to battery, and you tap reverse wireless charging, or look for it in your quick settings panel like I did earlier. Okay, once activated, place the device you want to charge on the back of your phone, and boom, it will start charging. And now for Tecno and Infinix, these are for newer models also. Something like Tecno Phantom S, Infinix Zero Ultra, etc. Some of the latest Tecno and Infinix models also come with wireless reverse charging. You usually find it under settings, battery, wireless reverse charging. Keep in mind it only works if your phone supports QI wireless charging in the first place. If your phone supports QI wireless charging in the first place. So for iPhone users, there is a workaround trip. While iPhone don't offer reverse wireless charging yet, you can still share power by using a MagSafe battery pack or a power bank with a lightning cable that supports pass-through charging. And if you're with a friend who has a Galaxy or OnePlus, ask them to power share you. Okay, so which device can you charge? This works for charging wireless earbuds, smartwatches, other smartphones, even styluses like the S Pen or pencil style accessories if they support wireless charging. But remember, your phone must have enough battery, usually above 30%, for reverse charging to work. Okay, now if you know how to give power, don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share it. And if you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up. hit the subscribe button and share it with someone who always has a dead battery. So this is Onyinyechi, making your smartphone smarter.